Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, come back with me. I'm Titi Nurbaiti. So today I will bring you news about the chaos that occurred when the body of Lukas NMB was delivered by the Papuan people. Former Governor of Papua, Lukas NMB, passed away at the Gatot Subroto Army Central Hospital, Central Jakarta, Tuesday, December 26, 2023, then repatriated to Jayapura City on the evening of December 27, 2023, after which it arrived at Sentani Airport on December 28, 2023. Riots broke out in Jayapura, Papua on Thursday, December 28, 2023. The crowd carrying the body of the former governor of Papua, Lukas NMB, was involved in clashes that resulted in injuries and damage to a number of buildings. The crowd carrying the body of former Papua Governor Lukas NMB was again involved in a riot. The mob burned down a number of shop houses in the Wayana Perumnas Junction area, Jayapura City, Papua. From the video circulating, there was a severe fire at the junction of Perumnas Wayana, Jayapura City. Flames were seen engulfing the shop houses that were lined up. The situation became chaotic when the front row of residents who were parading the crowd suddenly provoked by throwing stones at the building. Halo kakak, permisi.
Ya,
Saya boleh interview kakak?
boleh, silakan.
Saya akan menginterview kakak mengenai kericuhan yang terjadi di wilayah Jayapura yang terjadi beberapa hari lalu. Jadi menurut kakak bagaimana kondisi Jayapura hingga hari ini?
Menurut saya kondisi di Jayapura hingga hari ini kondusif ya, sudah mulai kondusif, sudah mulai seperti biasanya.
Terus apakah kericuhan ini akan terus berlanjut menurut Anda?
Kalau soal itu saya tidak tahu ke depannya bagaimana. Nanti kita lihat saja ke depannya, karena kayaknya aman-aman saja, sudah mulai membaik.
Jadi saya dengar-dengar saat sebelum berangkat kerja ke Ramayana, apakah Anda saat itu dicegat oleh masyarakat asli Papua?
Lebih tepatnya bukan dicegat ya, tapi untuk demi keamanan. Jadi pada saat itu kami keluar ke Cigombong, lampu merah Cigombong itu sudah dia suruh balik, dimana bukan masyarakat asli Papuanya yang suruh balik, tapi petugas keamanan yang pada saat itu berjaga.
Bagaimanakah kondisi Anda pada saat itu?
Kondisi saya pada saat itu ada tegang,
Terus?
di satu sisi juga mau pergi kerja, tapi di satu sisi yang lain memang kondisi yang saat itu harus stay di rumah, tapi kita paksa untuk keluar. Jadinya kondisinya sedikit menakutkan ya, apalagi jalanan juga terasa sepi. Bukan terasa sepi, tapi memang sepi pada saat itu.
Terus bagaimanakah tanggapan Anda terhadap pembakaran yang dilakukan di kawasan Expo Wayana?
Menurut saya tanggapan atau tindakan tersebut sangatlah tidak terpuji, dimana intinya pembakaran yang terjadi di Wayana pada saat itu tidak bagus dan di luar dari nalar kita semua, dimana pada saat itu kondisinya yang berduka malah menjadi anarkis.
Terus apa harapan Anda untuk Kota Jayapura ke depannya?
Harapan saya untuk Kota Jayapura ke depannya lebih maju, hidup damai, tidak ada perselisihan antar suku maupun rasis yang menyebabkan perkelahian, dan kedepannya jauh lebih baik lagi dari sebelum-sebelumnya.
Terima kasih kakak. Permisi. So the conclusion is What is the condition of Jayapura today? Conditions in Jayapura are now starting to become more conducive, as usual. What do you think? The unrest will continue? She doesn't know about future conditions, but it's safe. When you went to Ramayana to work, were you intercepted by indigenous Papuans? More precisely, it was not intercepted, but by for security purposes and not intercepted by the Papuan people, but by security officers. What was your condition at the time? There is tension, but on the one hand you want to go to work, but on the other hand the condition at the time require you stay at home. The point is that the condition at the time feel creepy, and also the road is deserted. What is your response to the arson at the Wayana Expo area? These actions are not commendable, not good, and beyond our reason because in a state of grief, the community at the time became anarchic. What are your hopes for Jayapura city in the future? The hope for city of Jayapura is to be more advanced, live in peace, no ethnic disputes, racism, and also to be more advanced than before. Okay, so that is the information I can convey about the riots that occurred in Jayapura. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.